And in this example, we will actually use CSS keyframes to actually transition from one color to another. So this transitioning process can be controlled with CSS, and that's what you're going to be looking at next. So we're going to be doing some CSS again.
So we get rid of the script.
You don't need any script here. Rather, in the head, you now need a style again. So I'm going to be giving some default properties to my anim div, such as I'm going to be giving it a width of, let's say, 400 pixels and a height of 300 pixels. I'm going to give it a background color of green. And just like we have learned in the past, there are different properties that different browsers use. So Chrome, Opera, Safari, they use a WebKit animation property. And all others use the animation property. The values are very similar.
So I don't use Mozilla, it's just separate by Chrome and everything else?
Chrome, Safari, and Opera use WebKit animation, and everybody else use animation.
They gotta be special.
I'm going to complete that line in just a minute. Let me first define my animation. Then I'm going to go there to those lines and complete them. Okay? So, if you are working with Chrome, Safari, or Opera, then you will going to do this one. I want my color to transition from this to this. So my starting color is green, and my ending color I want to be orange. So from this color to that color. Now let me copy this and paste it. And instead of WebKit keyframes, I'll just use keyframes. So I have two sets of animations that I've set that it will going to generate a color transition from this color to that color. Now what I need to define over here in the animation is, okay, this needs to be done, but where is the animation? The animation is in my anim. What will be the duration of animation? The transition process, I mean, it will going to be, let's say, 4 seconds. And will this going to be one time or cyclical? I'm saying I want it to go infinite. And now when I launch it, notice the transition.
Whoa.
Okay, so it switches to green, switches to orange. Okay.